Okay guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to give you some product information on our hard coat sprayable ceramic coating. So follow me and I'll show you exactly how to use it. Hard coat is an easy to use sprayable ceramic coating. Its advanced chemistry contains a blend of synthetic polymers and ceramic resins, which creates a slick paint surface offering amazing hydrophobicity whilst also providing chemical resistance, self-cleaning properties and long-term protection. Hard coat is safe for all paint surfaces including satin, matte, vinyl wraps and PPF. It is also great for wheels and plastic trim. Application is easy. Simply spray the product onto a microfibre towel or applicator, apply the product in small sections, then buff using a clean microfibre towel until you achieve full gloss and product removal. Ideally, hard coat should be allowed to cure for a minimum of 2 hours before being exposed to moisture. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and that is the application and processes on how to use our hard coat sprayable ceramic. For more information, please visit our website or come and see us in store. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe and let us know down in the comments what you would like to see in our next video.